Welcome back. You're watching Markets at Noon on ET Now. Let's just take a quick look at the stock price of Vedanta. Massive drop being witnessed over there, especially in the last couple of minutes. We have the stock price actually tanking more than 7% now in trade at 128 rupees. It's a big drop being witnessed on the share price of Vedanta, like I mentioned. In just the last couple of, actually in the last 1-2 odd hours, there's been this drop that has come by. The stock is now trading just about near the day's low. Remember that the bidding period for the delisting is on. Shareholders do have till the 9th of October to bid in their shares at a price that they believe they would like the shares to be delisted at. The latest update as per the exchange is that a total of 14.58 crore shares, 14.58 crore shares have been bid in. And by the way, the highest bid has come in at 999 rupees per share. Almost 14,000 odd shares have been bid in. 14,600 shares have been bid in at this price point of 999 rupees per share. Remember that in order for the delisting to be successful, almost 140 odd crore shares do need to be bid in. So there are 2 more days. Remember, there are several institutional holdings as well in Vedanta. So, you should definitely see these numbers go much higher once those institutions bid in their shares. But yeah, for now, we're almost about 100 odd crore shares away from reaching that 90% mark for it to be called as a successful delisting. Post that as well, of course, the other important factor for Vedanta is going to be what is going to be the delisting price. Because remember that if the price is too high, Vedanta will have to go back to the drawing board and figure out how it's going to fund this delisting. It has raised roughly about $3 billion. So yeah, and yes, of course, there's all that debt as well on Vedanta Resources book. So could be a bit of a tight situation. But for now, looking at the share price, 127 rupees is where the stock is currently trading at, Pankaj.